Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Cash App. Let's get started. First, open Cash App on your phone and log into your account. Ensure your Cash App card is active. Check the card section to confirm it's linked to your balance. You'll see the main interface. Tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. That's the search option, also called the Discover section. Type in Afterpay and search. As you'll notice, Afterpay isn't a direct partner on Cash App, so you can't use it directly through the app. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. You can use your Cash App card as a payment method in Afterpay. Here's how. Open the Afterpay app or visit a merchant's website accepting Afterpay, like Target or Sephora. Select the product you want to purchase, add it to your cart, and start the checkout process. When choosing your payment method, select Add Card and enter your Cash App card details. The 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV, which links to your Cash App balance. Afterpay splits the cost into 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. Unique tip: before checkout, top up your Cash App balance in the Money tab to cover the first installment, ensuring a smooth transaction. If Afterpay declines your card, double-check the card details or verify your Cash App account isn't restricted via Account Status. Update both apps via the App Store or Google Play if issues persist. Contact Afterpay at afterpay.com or Cash App at 1-800-969-1940 for support. That's basically how you use Afterpay with Cash App.